Hello everyone, my name is Rainian Aban Balagbagan, your Mutia to Abel, Luzong, Norte. So today, I am going to talk about something special that is close to my heart, which is the Sustainable Development Goals, or also known as the SDG.
The SDGs are a universal call to action to end poverty, protecting our planet, and ensuring prosperity for all. There are 17 goals in total, addressing various global challenges. Today, I want to particularly focus on SDG 13, which is climate action. Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges, and it's our responsibility to act. Growing up, I witnessed the impact of climate change on my community. Extreme weather events, loss of biodiversity. These are not just issues in a textbook. They affect real people. That's why I believe it's crucial for the youth to understand the SDGs. Now you might wonder, why should the youth care about the SDGs? Well, the answer is simple. We are the future leaders, change makers, and caretakers of this planet. Understanding the SDGs empower us to make informed decisions and to make meaningful actions. SDG 13, which is climate action, is particularly important. It calls for urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. By understanding this goal, we can make sustainable choices in our daily lives and advocate for policies that protect our environment. So here's my call to action for you and for the youth worldwide. Educate yourself about the SDGs, especially climate action. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, and community. Because every small action counts, and together we can make a significant impact.
Thank you for joining me in this journey towards a sustainable future. Let's stand together, raise awareness, and work towards achieving the SDG. Remember, the power to change Bangar is in our hands.